Duke, 4 supercharged V8. 8,000 horsepower, bro. 8,000. This is going to be bad. Really loud. Oh, the fuel coming in. Oh my God.
Lead operator Flav and daughter Jess sitting aboard there. This will be a ride about Edmund. Lift up. Torque converter set around about 4,500 RPM before the clutches engage. As you'll see, this thing will be quite a vicious launch when Peter fires it into life, and it will be up and away. Coyote 5. 72 road extras. Brakes up on the chain, up and away. 3 plus to go.
Holy fucking hell.